Welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be reviewing and doing unboxing of this Klein electronic cash register. So this is, my baby's quite noisy. She's there. So this is the box it came with. It's a German brand, Klein. It's my second toy from Klein. Let's see. So it's for 3+. So I just need to put battery in it. Inclusions, I get a card, the key that you can unlock, and some money. So the money's there, and everything is here. Unlike other cash register, they don't have like inclusions of like grocery items, so this is just this. So I have my batteries here and my screwdrivers. So let's open it. So I put the batteries already. It requires like 3 AA batteries. And the inclusions, I found this one, like the manual here, and a brochure from other Theo Klein toys. Of course, you need to open this. It's in euro. So just remove this one. Yeah, it's not that smooth. Oh, my daughter is really noisy in the background. So, turn it on. I think I put the battery right. Let's see. I just need to check if I put it right. So you need to put the key on. So it was here, the off. So you need to put the key and put it on, and then you press the on. So it's a bit dark here. So it has like euro money, like a few banknotes here, ranging from 5 to 500 euros. And they have a small bank card just here, as you can see. So it's just a one big push button, but you can push in the middle, so for sure. And the scanner. So if you push the button here, it gives prices. And you push here, scanner, it gives prices as well. Move the scanner. Here it's a bit short, cord. Oh, I turn it off. So it doesn't give any prices. So it was just this one. Gives random prices. And oops. And of course you have like here. Cat food, dog food, candies, brands. So this is not totally touchscreen. Has different sounds. Here's different. This one is different. It's different. This and this, like it's the same. Almost the same. And then you put your notes. The coins are really small. See, this is 5 one. It's really small. I can easily swallow this. It's gonna remove. I'm not gonna put it here, I think. But it's for kids, so. But the 1 cent is really small, so it's not really good quality. But the cash register itself is really good toy. So far I have like this is my 6th cash register. So I'll be reviewing the other electronic or toy cash registers that we have here at home. So far I like this one. This one's really short, but since it is intended for kids. So I hope you like my mini review. It's very noisy in the background because my daughter is still playing and she's very active. Say bye bye.